Hello and welcome. My name is Amit, and I'm there with training related to site reliability engineering, DevOps, platform engineering, Linux, security. Okay. So I started my career from a Linux system admin. So the whole training would be on that perspective. A lot of YouTube sites are there where you can see beautiful content, but mostly from the developer's point of view. But me being from the Linux, started the career from the Linux system admin, it would be towards similar to that. But why this site, right? Why the video? Uh, there's a lot of videos out there. So the only key thing over here, what I tried making it is you'll not just get the video, but along with that, you'll get a walkthrough note that would be easier for you. Okay, let me introduce to my website. It's called as SRE Toolkit. Right. So if you see in this website, right, it's called SREtoolkit.com. Okay, and in the website, so in this website, you can see a lot of topics. Still growing up, building it up. So over the period it would change, but more or less this is what the planning for. Okay. We also do the site website building and training. Okay. So this is all that. But if you see, most of the time we get blog, right? If you come up here, go to blog, you get a lot of blogs. So let's say like Python. So if you search over here, you get something topic related to Python. You can see over here, you can this. But that these blocks are not easier because you don't get a proper track. To overcome that one, we created something called as tutorial. So now the tutorial would be having a lot of things, and as it is growing, things like that. You can come to a tutorial and you can learn anyway. Right? In this way, either what you will get it something called as the topic related to this particular training, what will go for the video recording, the pre-Python related topics related to that. Okay. Then you go for the most of the things. So right, so you get a note along with the particular videos. So we'll go through not only these video, but there will be a given note to that, right? So we have around 26 different topics on this, along with further advanced topic that will come up over the period. The best part would be we not only get into a videos, we'll do a little bit of hands-on, and the topic would be there much easier over here. You get uh, what are the things you will be doing over here, the possible mistakes over here. Okay, the common mistake that people do, that is part of this particular uh, videos and everything, right? So what type of mistake you get, question answer and everything, you get it over here. Okay. So that's pretty much a quick view of the website. Okay. Um, so in this particular video, you will get some sense of what the upcoming things are there. So you will not only get these video, you also get the written notes, which is already there, the written notes in such format that you can do your homework. They probably doing mistakes. For example, you did one comma in one side and two comma here, like let's say single quote and double quote mixed up, right? Those kind of mistake what usually people do in a very basic format related to the basic topic, all those things should taken care of this particular thing. So for this video, that's pretty much. You can explore the site sretoolkit.com. Site Reliability Engineering, that's stand for SRE, toolkit.com. Go ahead, explore. The content could be evolved over the period of time. You will not get the video, but you will also get the related documentation and the learning path, right? So because of this all track going along with together, it would be easier for you. That's the main hope. And feel free to comment if you have any doubts. We'll go through that. Okay? Hopefully you like this particular way, and we'll come up with the next topic.